Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to install LVP flooring over a trapdoor. So this is a remodel that we're doing in a bedroom, and the problem with it was that in the closet here there was a trapdoor. So we're on the first floor of the house, and this is how people access the crawl space. And so yeah, this is just a lot of pain in the ass stuff, but this is what the finished product looks like. I might try to clean up these edges a little bit better, but that hopefully shouldn't be too bad with like a circular saw. And yeah, this is what it looks like. This right here is a handle that supposedly sits pretty flush. I used a rotozip, that guy right there, to kind of cut out the indent. What I did is basically when the people installed, or when they built this house and framed it, it was just a 2x2 foot square cutout like this, and the wood was pretty weak. So to try to make it better, I went in and set this down, added some 2x4s behind it like that to give it a little bit more strength. Those are 3-inch deck screws. And in terms of the LVP flooring, you can see basically what I did is I bought, obviously you want to change the length of the screw depending on how thick your wood and your LVP sheets are, but I have 1-inch thick or 1-inch drywall screws that are holding the flooring onto the subfloor. And then yeah, that's how it looks. And that's the access to the crawl space like that. So that is the trapdoor, and then this flap folds down so it doesn't take up too much room when it's not in use. And now this is a lot more usable space than it was. So anyway, hope this is helpful stuff. Give some people some ideas, and thanks for watching.